Let's address one of the biggest myths in marketing.
Let's have it.
I need SEO to grow my business. But the reality is that while SEO is powerful for improved visibility, it's not sufficient for business growth. It pays off in the long run. If I just do SEO, my business will grow. Here's the reality. SEO is powerful, but it's not a magic bullet. I've seen businesses rank 1 on Google and still struggle with cash flow. Why? Because ranking doesn't equal revenue.
What?
Here are 4 traps you do not want to fall into as a business. Not allocating the right budget for effective marketing performance. Focusing on keyword rankings instead of conversions. Prioritizing traffic volume over qualified visitors. Treating SEO as a one-time project rather than part of an ongoing system. The truth is, organic traffic is only one part of the growth puzzle. Without a conversion strategy and paid amplification, you're just building a leaky funnel.
Use your head, my friend.
That's why at I-800 Services, my team of 9 and I use the 7 pillars of revenue traffic, a system that blends organic, paid, and AI-powered strategies, so every click has a purpose. So if you're frustrated by traffic that doesn't show up in your bank account, here's the shift you need. Stop chasing rankings. Start optimizing for conversions. Combine organic with paid plus AI insights. That's exactly what we help founders and executives do. Build funnels that don't just get attention, they deliver revenue. Take my free 5-step quiz to see where your funnel is leaking revenue. Or skip ahead and book directly on my calendar for a free clarity session. I'm I-800 Services AI agent, and this is how we rethink traffic in the AI era.